Okay, now here inside Lumion, we'll select this first tab that says Start, and we'll select the first one called Plane. Okay, now we need to go here on the bottom menu, we have Import New Model. So we'll do this. And you see that I provided you already the FBX files for the background plane, building, curtains, all of this. Actually, I have this file. If you don't see some files, it's because you have just one extension selected. Just select the first one and you will see all the files. So, but we'll select the building and open. And here we'll create a new category. I'll call it Lumion Course Exterior. And I'll click OK. It might take a little bit of time to import, depending on your computer. Okay, here we have the file. If you click one time, it will place it. And then you see that you still have the model here. So you can click and put it somewhere else. But what we're going to do is click Escape. We just need one time this building. Okay, so this is the building. This is how it comes imported. So, okay. Now what we'll need to do, as you saw on the first image, we have the building in the little bit high ground, like a little bit of a mountain, and we have the view from the bottom. So if you see here, if I put myself like this, well, I'll never get the same result. I need a mountain. So we have several ways to do this. First one is to go just here to terrain, landscape, and in landscape you can raise the terrain like this. See, you can raise the terrain. It's quite easy to use these tools. I'm gonna go back because it can increase the brush size, can increase the brush speed, so how fast it will increase the terrain. For example, if I put like this, actually more or less like this and like this, I can increase, and then it's a little bit like jagged, so I can go here and flatten, and it will flatten all the terrain. So I'll have like a flat surface to work on, but I'll have this, see, like I'm a little bit on the top of a mountain, the building. But I already made this as an FBX file. So what we'll do is undo all of this, and we'll go here to import and import new model, and we'll select the terrain. Open. Let's put it in the same folder, Lumion Course Exterior. Since I already have one terrain here, that's why it's asking me, so I'm going to put terrain course. Okay, and I'm going to place it like so. And so this part here, let me just go here and I will press H. The H key is to raise my FBX. Actually, it's this one. Or you can go here to the menu and you have rotate, scale, move free, move up, or move horizontal. So I like to use the shortcuts. In this case, it's H to move up and down. So it's easier for me to work. I'm gonna put it more or less like this. Yeah, looks good. Now I need to select the building, and if I just click it, it will, since I have the pivot point on the bottom, it will all the time place it on the surface of this terrain. So I think I want it, oh, actually I want to rotate it first. So I'll click here and I'll rotate it 180 degrees because I want to have this side of the building. And now I will just go here, maybe like this. Okay, let's see how that looks. By the way, sometimes when you are using Lumion, if you have like these big scenes, it might take some time if you are just using your WASD keys to move around. So I usually do, I'll just press the scroll, I'll just use the scroll up and the scroll down. And like this you can move way faster, see? Much better. So let's move down, go here, okay. So I think I want the building a little bit further back. By the way, if you want just to move in one direction, you can press Shift and hold Shift and just move like this. See? Okay, I think like this looks fine. Just needed to put it just slightly to the left. Alright, in the next lesson we'll start making our render preset.